this video, I'm going to show you how to make this woodpecker pin. I've made a list of everything that you'll need that you can screenshot and save here. Find a reference picture that you're happy with and trace the image and markings of the bird using an acrylic black marker pen. I've used masking tape to secure the shrink film here, just to make it a little bit easier, but it's personal preference whether you do that. Once you've outlined it, you can cut it out, turn it over and start colouring it in. If you're using acrylic markers, after this stage when it comes to shrinking it, you can shrink it straight away. But if you use Sharpies, you'll need to either seal those with white acrylic pen, as I do, or a coating of clear lacquer. When shrinking, try to apply the heat evenly to prevent cracks or dimples in the film, and always finish by placing a flat object on top. Applying UV resin, you'll need a cocktail stick or a silicone pen to spread. I like to cure for up to 2 minutes and longer for the final coat. For longevity of the pin, I always seal the back. For this pin, I'm doing 2 coats of resin on the front, but you can do more or less to your preference. And there you have it, the finished woodpecker pin. I hope you've enjoyed this video.